Okay, so I'm opening Muson Light, which is for recording different type of videos. So what it contains is, yep, nice Ziploc bags. This one is I think the holder for mobile. This is the, oh, this seems to be the mobile. The other one seems to be either the light. This is the video remote click, and this one is, I think, yeah, this one is the mount where you can change it to different ways. And this is the stand. So this ring light is a fairly priced one with good quality. It has good quality stand here, which you can place something like this and increase or decrease the height as well, which is like this. And here it is, the manual, how to use it, and finally the light. Here's the light. So there is the control button also, increase, decrease, or repeat, on, off, etc. Everything is there. Maybe next time I record my video, I'll use this light to enhance the background light. So here it is. You can either fix it directly on this one, which is here, or we can fix it on this one also. This is for the, one is for the camera and one is for the light. So let's see which one is more. Yep, so the one that we can tilt is for the light, which is yep, this one is for light, another and other one is for camera. So what we have to do is we have to fix it here. Yep, nice and firm. So yep. And this here is our light. It is ready now. You can tilt it upside or down, and yeah, then the camera. So you can either fix this or you can fix the camera as well directly. And this, So let's see how it looks like. Here it is, camera and ring light, and when we plug it in, let me just show you how does it work when we plug it in. So after you plug it in, you'll see the light here, and here it is. You can reduce, you can change the colors. 3 colors are there, and you can increase light and decrease light.